This is a tour of our layout showing the original section that was built. Everything to the right of the screen was added a few years later. A variety of materials were used for the earthen scenery. We cover some of those in other videos available on our channel. So be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. This section was built up in layers from soundboard made from sugarcane fibers. Far in the background, I used pink foam insulation to build up the distant hills. It all turns out the same no matter which material you use. A bit later we cruise by the town station. These two diesels are F3s. The real WP used F7 models for freight. I had a pair of F3s that I repainted into WP colors with my use of artistic license. The four reefers behind the diesels are all early 1950s all-metal kits I found at swap meets a few years ago. They are great models if you upgrade some details. The flat cars are mostly Athearn old kits with detail upgrades. The painted backdrop is all on masonite that curves around the walls in the corners. The sky is a representation of early morning fog in the distance, lifting and burning off. It was created with a combination of gray over white, using a bit of sponge dabbed in places, followed up with an airbrush diffusing a mist effect over it. This is a countryside area between the town area and the city's industries. It's hard to tell where the molded hills end and the painted hills begin. These hills and the cut for the track were made from pink foam here too. The blue pickup is in another cut for a dirt roadway to visually break up the hills. Now we're at the edge of the city industrial area. It turns into double track with a crossover here. Coming up is a laser kit of an SP station. Past the interlocking tower, this train will ease out of sight and eventually re-emerge in the creek area where this all began. We have two detailed model railroad DVDs on model building and a great many DVDs on the real railroads of bygone years, and they're on our website. We hope you enjoyed this short tour, and please look for far more on our YouTube channel. Look for many DVD videos on our website covering rail topics of steam, diesel, plus electric interurban and streetcar systems from the past. From our archive and other resources, we use old film never seen before to create these productions, bringing history and beautiful scenes that you can no longer see. This is the homepage of our website. The numerous videos are on a number of pages, and in most cases, clicking on a DVD cover face will reveal a preview video for viewing. Thank you for watching.